This is Mrs. Vaughn, and I wanted to give you a quick example on how to multiply rational equations. Okay, so first example, we're going to do x squared minus 3x over x minus 2 times x squared plus x minus 6 over x. Okay, so if you recall, when we multiply fractions, we multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. And so we pretty much have just all of this stuff in the numerator multiplied together over everything in the denominator multiplied together. So I'm going to put parentheses, x squared minus 3x times x squared plus x minus 6. And then I'm going to put this x first, and then x minus 2. Okay, so if we had any numbers that we could, factors that we could cancel, that would make it so much easier, and we could work with smaller numbers, which is always our goal. All right, so we're going to factor what we can in the numerator. So in this first one, we have an x in common, and so I have x minus 3 left over. Okay, and then on this one, I need two numbers that multiply to -6, but add up to 1. So 2 and 3 do if we use a positive 3 and a negative 2. Okay, so my factors here are x plus 3 and x minus 2. And I can go straight from writing these numbers into the factors because this is a 1 in front of the x squared. All right, so we have all of this over x times x minus 2. Now, if we have since everything is multiplied together, we can cancel if we have any like terms. So here I have an x in common, and I have an x squared, or an x minus 2 in common, and an x minus 2 in the denominator. Okay, so we're left with x minus 3 times x plus 3 over 1, because remember when these cancel, they actually turn into 1 over 1s. And since we don't have to write our number over 1, we're done. This is our answer.